going to discuss on functions of the central bank. Functions of the central bank. Central bank is regarded as an apex financial institution in the banking system. It is considered as an integral part of the economic and financial system of a nation. The central bank functions as an independent authority and is responsible for controlling, regulating and stabilizing the monetary and banking structure of the country. In India, the Reserve Bank of India is regarded as the central bank are responsible. Central bank, it was set up after central bank, it was set up in 1935. It was set up in 1935. Central banks are responsible for maintaining the financial stability and economic sovereignty of the country. Paragraph change. The functions of central bank can be discussed as follows. Number 1, currency regulator or bank of issue. Number 2, bank to the government. Three, custodian of cash reserves. 4, custodian of international currency. 5. Lender of last resort. Number 6. Clearinghouse for transfer and settlement. 7. Controller of credit. 8. Protecting depositors' interests. Protecting depositors' interests. Paragraph change. The above mentioned functions will be discussed in detail in the following lines. First, currency regulator or bank of issue. Dash. Central banks possess the exclusive right to manufacture notes in an economy. All the central banks across the world are involved in issuing notes to the economy. This is one of the most important functions of the central bank in an economy, and due to this the central bank is also known as the bank of issue. Second, bank to the government. Dash. One of the important functions of the central bank is to act as the bank to the government. It is also involved in making and receiving payments for the government. Central banks also offer Central bank also offer short-term loans to the government in order to recover from bad phases in the economy. Number 3, custodian of cash reserves. Dash. It is a practice of the commercial banks of a country to keep a part of their cash balance in the form of deposits with the central bank. The commercial bank can draw that balance when the requirement for cash is high and pay back the same when there is less requirement of cash. Number 4, custodian of international currency. Custodian of international currency. Dash. An important function of the central bank is to maintain a minimum balance of foreign currency. The purpose of maintaining such a balance is to manage sudden or emergency requirements of foreign reserves and also to overcome any adverse deficits of balance of payments and also to overcome any adverse deficits of balance of payments. Number 5, lender of last resort. Lender of last resort. The central bank acts as a lender of last resort by providing money to its member banks in times of cash crunch. It performs this function by providing loans against securities, treasury bills, and also by rediscounting bills. Point number 6. Clearing house for transfer and settlement dash. Central bank acts as a clearing house of the commercial banks and helps in setting of mutual indebtedness of the commercial banks. In clearinghouse, the representatives of different banks meet and settle the interbank payments. Point number 7. 7 or 6? 7. Controller of credit. The central banks also function as the controller of credit in the economy. It happens the commercial banks create a lot of credit in the economy that increase the inflations. Paragraph change. The central bank controls the way of credit creation by commercial banks is also done by engaging in open market operations or bringing about a change in the CRR to control the process of credit creation by commercial banks. Eighth and last, protecting depositors interests, protecting depositors interests dash. Central bank also needs to keep an eye on the functioning of the commercial banks in order to protect the interests of depositors. Okay. Questions, references, RBI, एक पार्ट इसका हम लोग लिखा